Bebefinn. Bebefinn. Bebefinn.
Have you seen my cat, Boo?
Yes, maybe. Let's go and check.
What's the matter?
Boo is not in the house.
I think he's missing.
Oh, no.
Have you seen my cat? My cat. My cat, Boo. Have you seen my cat? My ginger cat, Boo.
Under the bench. No, he's not here.
Behind the bushes. No, he's not here. Oh, no. Nowhere inside. Boo, where are you?
Let's try searching in front of the house.
Good idea.
Have you seen my cat? My cat. My cat, Boo. Have you seen my cat? My ginger cat, Boo. Behind the plant. No, he is not here. Under the tree. No, he is not here. I miss you, Boo. Huh? Boo! Oh, yeah, we found our cat, Boo. What if Boo disappears again?
How about giving this collar as a gift?
A collar?
Yes. See? It has our contact information.
If he has his collar, even if we lose him, someone might bring him back home.
Wow! Boo, do you like it? Oh, yeah, we won't worry anymore.